Today I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA not launching, so let's get into it. One main reason of this issue is that you have installed an antivirus program on your laptop device, so you have to uninstall that or you have to stop that. After clicking on this menu at the bottom, now you have to click on the disable option. Another fix is that you have to change FIFA's compatibility setting. To change FIFA's compatibility, you have to right click on the app. After that, you have to right click on the properties, and here at this interface you have to click on the compatibility and then click on the disable full screen optimization option. If the run on this program is admin option, you have to untick it and then click on the apply button and then OK button. Third step is you have to update the FIFA's certificates. To do that, you have to right click on the FIFA app, and after that you have to click on the open file location, and here you have to search to file named EA Anti-Cheater Game Services Center and right click on the file, click on the properties, then you have to click on the digital signature option, then select EA. From the signature list, click on the details, then click on the view certificates, and after that then click on the install certificates button and then click on the next button to install the certificates. Then click finish button, and after that we have successfully installed the certificates. We have to do the same methods for the second certificate as well. You have to repeat all the process until the installation is done. Here I am again repeating the steps to process the second certificate, and once I have finished, now I have to click on the finish button. For the fourth step, what we have to do is we have to install and reinstall EA Anti-Cheat app. Scroll to the top and go to the EA Anti-Cheat file, and here you have to click on the file. Now right click on this file. Once you right click on it, here at this interface you have to click on the uninstall option, and once you click on uninstall, your file will be uninstalled. Now you have to again click on the install option. Once all done, you have go to the app, and now you have to clear the cache of app. After clearing the cache, now you have to restart the PC. After restarting your PC, your problem will be resolved. So that's how you can fix FIFA 2023 not launching.